how to get free Xbox Live Gold 2019. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name of Hemi Jarvis, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you how to get Xbox Live Gold for absolutely free this year. All right, now the reason I'm making this video is because one of my subscribers, they had told me if I can share with them a way that they can get Xbox Live if they don't have it, right? And I told you guys the other day, I had made a video the other day showing you guys that the way you do that is by using game sharing on your Xbox. All right, and what game sharing allows you to do is it allows you to not only share video games with people, but it also allows you to share Xbox Live Gold. So what you're gonna do if you do not have Xbox Live Gold, you need to find a friend or somebody in your household who has an Xbox. Tell them, write this down, tell them if they can log in, right? If you can use their login information, right? Because they got Xbox Live Gold, right? So ask them if, hey, can I log into your account and turn on game sharing so that I can have Xbox Live on my profile as well. Now, let me show you guys how you're going to do that. All right. So let's imagine that you are logging into your friend's account right now. All right, so go hit the X, go to profile. Let me see, go over to profile and log into your friend's account, the one that got the Xbox Live. Whoever has the Xbox Live, log into their account. Once you're logged into their account, you're going to hit the middle button on your controller. All right, I showed you guys this in another video, but I'm just clarifying what you need to do. Okay, so you hit the middle button in your controller, then you're going to go down to settings, right? All right, go to personalization. This is how you get Xbox Live for free, by using someone else's account who have Xbox Live, you know, and you putting it on your Xbox. So personalization, and then go down here to my home Xbox. All right, once you do that, guys, if you read this screen right here, what does it say? It says this is your home Xbox, so people can play your downloaded games without you signing in. If you have gold, right, Xbox Live Gold, your whole household gets to enjoy your gold benefits on this Xbox. You understand what that means? Basically meaning, once you turn this on, once, say your friend turns this on, right? All right, you gotta basically log into your friend's account on your Xbox and hit this button right here. Then you log out of your friend's account and then log into your account. Then you will have Xbox Live Gold because your friend had Xbox Live Gold and he shared it on your Xbox. I hope that makes sense, guys. But anyway, if it didn't make sense, if you don't want to go through all of that, just know this, guys. If that didn't work for you, it's going to work, because that's how you share your Xbox Live Gold. But if that didn't work for you, if you don't feel like doing all those steps, you could do this, guys. I have a Xbox Live Gold code right here in my hands, right? Okay, I am going to be doing a giveaway on the 11th of this month. So if you're interested in getting a free Xbox Live Gold code for 3 months straight, you can tune into the giveaway. All you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, turn on your notification bell, and, you know, give this video a thumbs up. That would help my video a lot. And leave a comment below. I want to know who all seen this video, so be sure to leave a comment below so that I can just check to see who all watched this video. But anyway, you could do this as well, guys. You can join the giveaway. It's up to you. The giveaway is going down on the 11th of this month. I was going to do the giveaway the other day, but I had to move it to the 11th because my iPhone has not came in the mail yet. And what I do when I do my giveaways is I go live here on YouTube. All right, so anytime I go live, Let me X out of this. I go live on YouTube and I do the giveaways, guys. That way you know that the giveaways are 100% real. They are 100% authentic. I don't do any false giveaways on my channel, guys. If I told you guys I'm gonna do a giveaway, I'm going to do a giveaway. All right. So like I said, it's going to be going down on the 11th. If you want to get one of these, you could tune in, be by your Xbox when I do the giveaway, and whoever puts the code in their Xbox first will be the person that gets the 3 months Xbox Live Gold code. All right, and that's how we're going to do this. So I just showed you guys 2 ways on how to get Xbox Live Gold for free. I really hope that this video helped you guys, because I made a video similar to this already, but this is for the people who wanted me to redo it, you know what I'm saying, and just break down, explaining it a little bit more. So again, guys, if you don't have Xbox Live, you can ask one of your friends if you can log into your friend's account and do what I just showed you in this video, then log out of their account and log back into your account. Okay, and that's how you can get Xbox Live Gold for free. And again, guys, if you don't want to do all of that, you want to just get it for free, you have the opportunity to do that when I do the giveaway on the 11th of this month. And let me just say this, if you don't get this giveaway, like when I do the giveaway, if you are not the person that put it into your Xbox, that's okay, because I'm gonna do more giveaways. This is not the only giveaway that I'm going to be doing here on my YouTube channel. Like I said, guys, I'm trying to give away not only Xbox Live Gold codes, but I'm gonna be giving away V-Bucks. I'm gonna be giving away Fortnite skins. I just gotta figure out how I want to give you guys that stuff. But the Xbox Live Gold code, I'm sure I know how to give this away, right? So hopefully y'all understood everything I said in this video. If it is confusing in any way, be sure to leave a comment below, because you know, if you have any questions or anything, just leave it in the comment section so that I can see if I can answer it. You know what I mean? Now, if y'all interested in the games that I've been playing lately, I've been on Fortnite, I've been on Grand Theft Auto, I've been on 2K20. Those are the games that I've been playing lately. So if you see me on online, if you're playing Fortnite and you see me online, you know, just give me a shout out. I might talk back to you. Like, just let me know you see me, and who knows, maybe we can hop on live together and just play some games together. I wouldn't mind doing that with some of my subscribers. But again, guys, you wanted to know how to get free Xbox Live Gold. This is how you do it. All right, you can either follow the steps I gave you in this video, step by step. Basically, let me break it down for you again. Call your friend, the friend that has Xbox Live. Call them. Tell them if you can log into their account, right? And then once you're able to log into their account, the one with the Xbox Live Gold on it, you're going to go into settings. I'm going to show you guys this one more time. Go into settings, personalization, go to my home Xbox. Turn this on. All right, mine is already on. That's why it says remove this as my home Xbox. You want to make this your home Xbox. All right, and then log out of your account. Log out of this account, right? And log into your account. So you're logging out of your friend's account, the one with the Xbox Live Gold, right? And you log into your account. I'm just trying to make this clear, guys. All right, and then that's how you do game sharing, and also how you share their Xbox Live Gold. And again, if you don't want to go through all of these steps that I mentioned in this video, I have a giveaway going on my channel. All right, all you have to do is show up to the giveaway, and you have the opportunity of getting Xbox Live for free. The opportunity, guys, because I go live. Again, I'm gonna say this one more time so that y'all just, I'm breaking it down. I don't want y'all to be confused. I'm going live on my channel. All right, on the 11th for sure this time, for sure, because when I get my cell phone in the mail, I just ordered the iPhone 11. They told me it's going to take 11 days. So it should be here by October the 11th. That's when I'm going to go live, okay? And I'm doing the giveaway. You can show up. Like I say, I recommend that you subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss out on the giveaway. So if I were you, I would subscribe, turn on that notification bell. You don't have to if you don't want to. I'm just recommending it, all right? But anyway, hopefully this video was helpful because, you know, I broke it down so many times for you guys. I hope that it was valuable. I will see you guys in the next video. But that is how you get Xbox Live for absolutely free. I appreciate you for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video.